How to fix following not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix following not showing on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here you need to find Instagram. Just scroll down until you find it and then click on it. Now just click this one here for stop, and now go to storage, click clear cache, and go to permissions and check all of those. You need to enable all of those here, and now just go back and now try again, and then just restart your phone and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.